you seen the other Candace?
We just saw her. She's driving away with Mom.
Time to call Mom. Quick! It's a bussin' feeding frenzy, stay out of the water. It's a bussin' feeding frenzy, stay out of the water.
There! Tell me that's not terrifying!
I'm so sorry I doubted you.
Take your foot off the gas.
Oh, you think? You think there? How's that? Is that better? Jeremy, Stacy, Jenny, Mom. Jeremy, Stacy, Jenny, Mom. Jeremy, Stacy, Jenny, Mom. Jeremy, Stacy, Jenny, Mom. How can I only have 4 friends? And one of them's my mom.
And Candace and I were thinking that, a live musical event might be a good opportunity for us to really... Candace, tiny cowboy.
You a little old for kiddie rides?
No, I'm not. Check it out. Ooh, you are so busted this time.